This is BrainTech YouTube channel. I welcome you back. Before I kickstart this video, if you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel, please, I use this time to urge you to please subscribe. When you subscribe, you will be getting our updates each time we drop a new video. Stay tuned for the video. Do you know that if you stay for some time without using your Telegram account, it can be deactivated? It can be deactivated after a few months, after 6 months, and after a year. But in this video, I will show you what to do in order to stop your account from being deactivated, or you can call it professionally self-destruct. The first thing to do is to launch your app store. Launch your app store, and when you launch your app store, you go to the search button and type Telegram. Why am I doing this? Why I am doing this? So that you can have an updated Telegram account, so that this step or this tutorial can effectively work for you. So I have opened my Play Store. The next thing to do is to see if my app is outdated, if my Telegram account is outdated. If you discover it is outdated, you need to update it. As you can see, it is not outdated, it is updated. So the next thing I have to do is to click on open, so I can launch my Telegram account. My Telegram account has just opened. So the next thing to do is to go to privacy and security. Privacy and security. Go down. Go down. Yes, this is it. Delete my account if away for. So you click on this option. As you can see, self-destruct if inactive for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. When you download your Telegram account for the very first time, it will automatically be placed in the category of 6 months to self-destruct, to deactivate, to delete these accounts if you are inactive. But I'll be showing you what to do to avoid your accounts from being deleted at all. So the first thing to do is to change it from 6 months to 1 year. Do you know why you are changing it to 1 year from 6 months, or 3 months, or even from 1 month? Why you have to change it to 1 year is your work or the school you attend may be giving you some busy schedule, so you may forget to open your account to do one or two things. But with this tutorial, you'll be able to bypass this. So change it from 6 months to 1 year. As you can see, I've changed mine from 6 months to 1 year. Then the next thing to do is to engage in some groups like your hobbies. For example, you like movies, you like music, you like sports, you like wrestling and other content. You have to look for a group that offers like latest music, latest movies, latest sport news, and the rest, and join that group. Let it be that you are visiting this group every month. When you visit this group every month, you won't forget to access your account or to open your Telegram account. So automatically, by doing this, by adding your hobby to your Telegram account, automatically it will be encouraging you to be visiting your Telegram account time to time. Automatically, your account will never get self-destruct. It will never get deleted. So I urge you to do this today. Automatically, you live to thank me, or you live to thank this channel when you come back for a comment, a thanks, a thank you comment. I assure you, you will surely come back to tell us thank you. So do this and your account will stay forever. Remember what I told you earlier, in case you want to change your account from getting self-destruct, you enter through privacy and security. You will see delete my account under voice messages. So click on if away for. So you change it from 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months to 1 year. After then, the only thing you have to do is there is no place to put okay. So when you select automatically to change, for example, I've added 1 year, I've clicked on the 1 year, automatically it has switched from 6 months to 1 year. So automatically my account won't be deleting after some time, but provided I keep coming under this 1 year, my account is safe. So if you have any question, do well to comment on this video, on the comment section of this video. Like this video, share it to your friends. I'm so sure they will like it. We have other interesting videos that will showcase some things you never knew about, or some things you never knew how to do on your favorable social media accounts, social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp, and the rest. When you access this channel, when you browse on this channel, there is a search button that you can search, for example, how to secure your WhatsApp account. We have such video. All you have to do is just to search, and the video from this account will pop up, and from there you can watch as you wish. We have other interesting videos. Please do well to browse on this channel. I'm so sure you will see them, and at the end of the day, you won't regret why you came to this channel. Do well to subscribe to this channel if you are yet to. Share our videos to your friends. Stay put for the next video. Thank you for coming.